We're going to be doing this easy hairstyle, very simple twists, and everything I used will be listed down below. So first of all, I spray my water with this conditioner and water mix. You can use any conditioner of your choice. Then I comb it out with a white tooth comb, and with a parting pin I start parting my hair. I check the mirror. First of all, I freestyle, then I check the mirror to see if it's straight, and if it's not, I just go over it again. Then I would braid like half an inch down, not the whole head, just like half an inch, and leave the rest. So for the front, I like to do my left side, then line the thing to my right side so it will be equal. Then I just like join the two ends like at the middle. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that helps it to be straight, and that's an easy way to do it. So when I'm done with that, I check if it's straight or not through the mirror, and if it's not, I go over it again and again till it is as straight as I want it to be. Now I am done parting my whole head, and it's time to add the braiding hair. I use the X-pression kinky ceres hair. It's like almost the same texture as my hair and almost the same color. It requires almost no preparation, but I like to spray with what I use to spray my hair. So I section it into small pieces, and those small pieces I section it into smaller pieces and cut it in half. Then that big piece, then with my latch hook I put it through the braid and twist the big chunk of hair so that it will be able to fit on the latch hook, and I'll draw it like through the braid easily. And then I even it out, make it sure that it's equal, and I take the smaller piece that I cut and wrap the roots with it. I just wrap it like 4 times, maybe 4 or 5 times, just till you get like a good grip of the hair. Then you kind of like join it into one of this twist and then just twist down. The secret to twisting is to twist your hair as you're like switching the hair, so just do that, and this is how it looks. This is the final results when I've done my whole head. This took 6 hours to do, and thanks for watching.